Hi everyone, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mukund Kumar and I am from Bihar. I have done my graduation in English from B.R. Ambedkar University. Initially, I was looking for a job in an IT company, and then I came to know about Evision from my brother. He also joined Evision 2 3 years ago, and if I see him now, he's well placed in an IT company named as NIIT, and his package is something around 6 lakhs. So that's why I decided to join here OJT internship, and here they taught us about CCNA, cybersecurity, server modules, Windows administration, cyber security. Uh, Evision is Evision is an IT recruitment and consulting company. Here you will find different trainers for different modules, Tarun sir, Vishwit sir, Dawson sir, and they taught us everything which are useful for a work, like how to take system remotely, about DSAP, DNS, how to create new user, how to send a mail in Outlook, everything they taught us. And um, whatever, after completing my internship, uh, I'm already feeling like an experienced employee, because they used to teach us like that. They used to give us presentation very clearly, very after completing all that, I had no doubt in my uh, work, and I have no confusion that I'll get selected or not, because I am 100% sure that after completing my internship I'll definitely get selected. And I'm very dedicated towards my work. I'm Evision and has enhanced my knowledge as well, and I have learned a lot from Evision. So if any company will hire me, they will find an asset for their company, and I'll if I'll get selected, I'll be very useful for a company, and I'm 100% sure that I'll get selected in first attempt, because I have that kind of knowledge. Because yeah, after in mock interviews as well, I used to perform very well, and I'm pretty much sure that if I'll go for a company interview as well, then I'll find and then I'll perform there very well as well. So yeah, so that's all what I wanted to, and what I wanted to say. And yeah, thank you from my side. Take care. Cheers.